In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters with Wix Studio. Repeaters in Wix are a powerful design element that let you display multiple items with a consistent layout while keeping the content inside each item unique. Think of them as a flexible grid for showcasing things like team members, product lists, testimonials, or portfolio projects. You design one item, and Wix automatically applies that style to every item in the repeater, so your page looks polished and consistent without extra effort. To get started, open your Wix Studio editor and look to the top left corner. Click the plus icon to open the Add panel. This is where you'll find all the building blocks for your site, and it's also where the layout tools live. From here, navigate to Layout Tools, then select Repeaters. You'll see a variety of repeater presets, different shapes and orientations designed to match common layouts. These presets are just starting points, so choose one that feels close to what you want. You can always fine-tune the look later. Next, click and drag your chosen repeater onto your site. Drop it where you want it to appear, whether that's on a section, a strip, or a dedicated page. As soon as you place it, you'll notice multiple identical items appear in a row or grid. Each item is a container that can hold text, images, buttons, and more. A key benefit here is that when you adjust the design of one item, like font, spacing, or corner radius, those changes automatically update across every item in the repeater. That keeps everything visually consistent and saves you a lot of time. Now you can start adding content to each repeater item. Replace placeholder text with real titles and descriptions, swap in images that represent each entry, and update any buttons with the labels and links you need. The layout stays the same across the board, but the content inside each item is unique and independent. For the best results, use images that share similar dimensions so your rows and columns stay neat, keep your headings short and scannable, and make sure your color contrast is readable. If you tweak the design, like adjusting padding, alignment, or hover effects, do it on a single item so those design changes carry over to all items in the repeater. And that's all there is to it. You've added a repeater, explored the available presets, dragged it onto your page, and populated each item with content while keeping a unified design. Repeaters make it fast and easy to scale content on your site without sacrificing consistency.